In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted chats in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. First, let's clear up a common confusion. The difference between a truly deleted chat and an archived one. If you manually deleted a conversation and confirmed that deletion, the hard truth is that it can't be recovered through the interface, the API, or through support. However, many missing chats aren't actually gone. They're archived. Archived chats disappear from your sidebar, but they remain in your account history and can be brought back. To restore an archived chat, open ChatGPT and head to Settings. You'll find this by clicking your profile icon in the bottom left corner. In Settings, go to the Data Controls section. Look for Archived Chats and select Manage. You'll see a list of conversations that were archived. Pick the one you want and click the Unarchive icon. It looks like a folder with an arrow. That immediately returns the chat to your active sidebar right where you expect to find it. If you don't see the option, make sure your app is up to date, then try again. You can also use search to quickly surface archived conversations. Archived chats still appear in your account's search index. In the sidebar, use the search bar and type a few keywords or phrases you remember from the conversation. If the chat shows up, it's archived, and you can open it from the results and continue right away. Keep in mind, once a chat is deleted, it's removed from search as well, so if nothing appears, it's likely not recoverable. There's a special case worth knowing: temporary chats. When you start a conversation in temporary chat mode, it never saves to your sidebar or history. These sessions don't show up in your list, and they can't be added back later. For safety monitoring, they may be retained for up to 30 days behind the scenes before being permanently deleted, but they aren't recoverable into your account history. Finally, let's talk about memory. Your conversation history and ChatGPT's memory are separate. Deleting a chat does not automatically delete what ChatGPT learned about your preferences or facts from that session. To review or clear those, go to Settings, then Personalization, and select Manage Memory. Here, you can see what's stored and remove anything you no longer want saved. And that is all for today. Remember, archive when you want to declutter and only delete when you're sure you want it gone forever. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.